Most people trying to earn extra money online make the same mistake. They jump between reward apps without understanding how payouts actually work. Then they wonder why their earnings stay low. Here's the truth no one tells you. The platform that pays more is not always the one with the highest rewards per task. It depends on consistency, task availability, and how quickly you can cash out. In this video, you'll learn the real difference between Freecash and InboxDollars in 2026, how much each one actually pays, and which one is better depending on your goal. Let's break it down clearly. If you are like Alex, who wants quick PayPal cash from small tasks, or Sarah, who prefers simple surveys in her free time, these two platforms will feel very different from the start. And this is where most people get confused. They compare earnings without considering effort and time per task. Let's start with Freecash. Freecash is known for high-paying offers. You can earn money by completing app downloads, surveys, and game tasks. Some users report faster earning potential compared to many reward sites. Now, here's the interesting part. Freecash often has fluctuating payouts. That means one day you might see high-paying offers, and the next day fewer opportunities depending on your region. But here's the problem. Some offers require longer completion time or strict conditions, so not every task is as easy as it looks. Now let's talk about InboxDollars. InboxDollars is one of the oldest reward platforms. It pays you for surveys, watching ads, playing games, and reading emails. The earning per task is usually lower than Freecash, but the platform is more stable and predictable. In a minute, I'll show you which platform actually gives you better real-world hourly earnings, not just advertised rewards. So let's compare real earning potential. On Freecash, active users can sometimes earn $10 to $50 per week if they consistently pick high-paying offers. But results vary widely depending on availability. On InboxDollars, most users earn around $5 to $20 per week with steady activity. It is slower, but more consistent and beginner-friendly. Now, here is the key difference. Freecash rewards speed and smart selection of offers. InboxDollars rewards consistency and patience. So one is not strictly better than the other. If your goal is fast earnings and you are willing to search for better offers, Freecash can be more rewarding. If you want a simple routine without thinking too much, InboxDollars is easier to stick with. Here's the final takeaway. Freecash has higher earning spikes. InboxDollars has more stable but lower earnings. The real winner depends on how you prefer to work, not just the numbers. Now you know exactly how Freecash and InboxDollars compare in 2026, and which one fits your earning style. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more honest earning app comparisons like this.